combining the state-of-the-art technology with these great sports.
Pool Live AR revolutionizes the way you play pool by detecting the pool table, cue and balls. The system analyzes those elements to bring you several effects and computing animations. The system is capable of detecting balls, strikes and pockets. The animation can be enabled, disabled and even customized through your smartphone app. A white line can help you out in the hardest of moves if you wish so. From within the app, you can select how many reflections you wish to see shown on the table or just hide them altogether. You can also make them only visible from within the live stream. All your moves are automatically saved and are accessible immediately on your smartphone. From there you can watch every replay and even share it to social networks. You can also save the game state anytime you want and reload it for later practice. All saved game states are shared in a built-in pool social network, where you can share your game state, see other people's solutions to that particular problem.
Introducing DoubleHold, a strap phone holder and carrier that takes people from now to an era where you can use your phone hands-free. With DoubleHold, you can carry your phone as you desire. You can wear it as a sling bag, chest holder, or even hang it tightly from your belt. This multifunctional phone holder bag is equipped with magnets to keep your phone securely held in multiple positions. Easily answer calls or watch content on the go. There is a special compartment for your cards, keys, or other items when traveling. Now you can use your phone as a flashlight or as an action camera from a POV perspective and share your travel experience with friends. Or you can use the chest strap when going for a run, hands-free. We know you'll love the DoubleHold so much, you'll probably use it all the time. That's why we decided to make it with high-quality first-layer cowhide, allowing the frame structure to be extremely strong, durable, as well as stylish. Forget about needing any other desktop holders. The DoubleHold also works as a desktop holder, neatly keeping your phone vertically and horizontally positioned. Enjoy your favorite show while preparing a meal or while having a snack. In short, DoubleHold lets you do so much more with your phone, at home or on the go, all hands-free.
Barbecue, workshop and meeting room.